Hi everyone, it's Kristina. Today I'm taking a calm moment in the hallway while wearing my white raincoat and giving some gentle attention to the mirror. I really like how this space sets the tone for the whole home. When the hallway feels clean and clear, everything around it feels more organized and welcoming. The light reflects softly, the space feels calmer, and the atmosphere becomes more balanced. These quiet routines help me slow down and reset. Nothing rushed, nothing loud, just a steady rhythm and clean energy filling the space. The white raincoat adds a light, minimal feeling that keeps the moment relaxed and intentional. Simple home moments like this remind me how small resets can change the mood of an entire space. A calm pause, a fresh look, and everything feels lighter again. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me. See you in the next video.